And the pass. Nakagawan. Ito na. Open look, drive, place rejected. And you're now to the home, Philip bait and the bucket for one kicks. Now he drops the water shot of the glass bucket. And here you go against Hoyohoy. Space lays up your base. Welcome to Taytay Basketball League. It's between Wow Chicks versus Rain or Shine. In the first quarter action here. First to Wow Chicks. Ball possession for Wow Chicks now. Deep three. Bang! First ball na sapatos and he drives all the way to the home. Hook shot. In and out. And rebound here for Wow Chicks. Drive, side step, kicks it out. Stop, pull up jumper, bucket! Here comes Team Rain or Shine now to the wing side, to the middle. He bump, he spin, little spin, he fakes. Oh, rejected! And the pass break all around to the hoops, easy two! And 7 to score. Here at the wings, will drive. And pass inside, will bounce. Kicks it out. Grabs Oma, stolen. And you're now to the home, Philip bait and the bucket for the Otis, the pass. And the pass to the corner side, to the wings. Parada pull-up G, not good. Rebound. And the hook pass. And the bounce pass. Drive, slash, yes sir, libre, nakalusot. Best out. Easy lang mga pre, sabi. Goes to the screen. Crossover attacks, fires. Times Ortiz for Wow Chicks to the corner. Here's Trinidad dribbling the ball. The high pass to Ortiz. Ortiz now holds the ball. Didiskarte mula sa gitna. The pull-up jumper. Short. And there's Sosa. Now dribbling the ball. He stops. He attacks. Release. Yes sir. The high shot. And here's Reynorsan. He stop, open look sa tres, bang! Great pounding, now looking for the receiver, tinapik yung bola. And the pass to the corner, bounce pass back sa gitna, the floater. Very good, rebound, falling away, yes sir! And here's Reynorsan, nakagawan ng Wow Chicks. At naka-recover. Drives, pinasa one bounce, Kaldag, fakes. Kicks out. Open look, drive, place rejected. Inbounding for team San and Reynorsan, libre sa tres, won't go. Rebound para kay big man. Omba, the high pass inside, picks, Celso, spins, hook shot. Omba, pass to Trinidad, picks, spins. Pass to the corner. Stop, pull up J. Negative. Rebound by Omba. Omba, reverse fly up. Yes, sir. Stolen. And now in hurry. Is Kipinasa. And the kicks out to the middle. Pull up jumper to free throw area short. And rebound for one kicks. Now he drops the water shot of the glass bucket. At didiskarte ngayon dito mula sa koponan ng Reynorsan. Pull-up jumper, bucket. 3-point lead for Wow Chicks now. Pass. 4-3. Bang! Tiger! Recover na agaw dito ng Wow Chicks. And stop. Corner. Pull-up jumper. Too strong. And a seconds to play. And using the clock right now, deep three, bang! Another three! And goalless, pass to Omba. 3 seconds, 1 second, deep three, bang! That's the end of the first quarter. And Reynorsan basketball, Bosogon now dribbling the ball. Pass to the wings for 3 again, bang! Another three! Again, we are tied at 24. And the stops, the bounce pass. Pull up J, the free throw, off the glass, back. And now, Raynor San, sa gitna. Tinapikan, recover, one bounce. Kicks it out, picks his spin. And now look pass. And the pass to the corner. Pull up J, yes sir! Guray. High pass. Dolores. Pass to the middle. Will attack, Guray, corner pass. Picks, Omba, one bounce and fire. Not good. And tinapikan. Oh, but, napulot ni Dolores. Omba now, in hurry. One-on-one. Oh! Ginagasan in your bed. And 29-28. And stolen. And drive to the hoops. Easy to. And here, sumisiksag. Atake. Now inbounding, and here you go against Hoyohoy. Spades lays up, your base there. And pass, Dolores receives the ball. Pass to the middle. Gitna, Dolores, yes sir, Dolores. Phil. Pass na gitna, sa wing side. No look pass inside, ang gandang pasa. Pass. 3 on 3 laban, open look sa 3. Not good. And this, Omba, ay, Oyohoy, tinignan pa yung guardia, easy to. Nagawan. Ito na, Dave. Oh! Posterized na ako! And this, Pinabel, pass, picks, one bounce, pass. And 37-33. And 4-point lead for Team Wojcic's. Dolores now goes to the screen, open look sa 3. Bam! Goal! 6-point lead for Wojcic's. And the cross pass, Omba falling away. Bakit? Omba! And the stop for 3. Bam! Simon! Tumitira. The pass, Omba lays in. Bakit? Omba! And it's Raynor San. Gumaraw. Pass to Peñafiel. Pass to the corner. Peñafiel drives. Baseline. Too strong. And here's Ortiz. He pass. Pass back. The goal is to Ortiz for 3. Bam! Ortiz! Omba. Omba. Pass to Goles. Omba goes to the screen. Pass to Goles. Ortiz with drive. To the middle, ang gandang pasa. Celso. Umaraw. The pass to Ocampo. To the middle. Kinaliwa. Too strong. Magbanwa. Magbanwa. Stops there at the 3-point area. Pass to Goles. Goles goes inside. Penetrate. Oh! Smooth move. And the pass. Seconds to play. Decided. Take it easy. Gumaraw. Pass to Ocampo. Gumaraw. Ocampo. Bounce pass inside. Pull up J. Versosa. That's the end of Bosoto. And goes to the middle. He kicks out. Corner, fakes, stops for 3. Not good. Rebound, one bounce, picks. Picks, fires. Yes, sir. Hoyohoy. He passes to, bounce pass to Hoyohoy. Hoyohoy now, he kicks out. Omba. Omba will drive, the side step, the floater, not good. And Bosogon now. You know, look pass inside, hook shot. Yes, sir. Gamboa. And this Garcia. And the stops. Hoyohoy will drive. Kinaliwa. Bakit? Hoyohoy. And closes the mid lane. And the high pass to the middle. To the wing side. Drives. For the, yes sir, Avalos. Garcia will receive the goal. Will drive. Pull up jet, the free throw area. Bullseye. Bigla. Crossover move. Hook pass is stolen. Tatlo laban sa isa. Tinuloy-tuloy. Ito na hoops. Easy to. Up to the middle. Oyohoy. Pull up J. Bullseye. Oyohoy. At the top. Avalos, pull up J sa gitna. Bakit? And now, here's Goles. Pass to Oyohoy. Oyohoy holds the ball. Oyohoy, crossover move, drives to the hoops. Ace, yes sir! And Bosoton. Bounce pass. Inside pass na libre. Easy. Oy! And another. And cleaning is Peñafiel. Pass to the wing side. Picks to Peñafiel. Peñafiel to Peñafiel. Launches by Peñafiel. Nugget. And the pass. Odoma here. Oh, binitbit. Oh, sinausaw na so. Bound para sa team. Reynorsan. Pinapel. Pinasa. Tanggol. Western. And here's Odoma. Pass back. Bounce pass to the middle. Oyohoy. Inside pass. What a find. What a finish. Oyohoy. Dolores now. The pass. Omba. The side step. Oy! What a move. Omba. Peñafiel. Peñafiel. Drives. Pinasa. Find Peñafiel to Peñafiel. And stops. Alright. Pass back to the mids. Pinasa kayo, Domboy. Oyohoy, fast. Yes, sir. Oyohoy. And here's Team Reynorsan. The floater. No good. Rebound. Put back shot of the window. Manny. Omba against Versosa. Omba. The pass. Step back. Deep three. No good. Rebound. And the pass. High pass. Tagawan. And Orwoga. The pass. Oh! Grabe. Nice. Bounce pass. And it's stolen. The bounce pass. And a bounce in the off the glass bucket. And a ball possession for Wild Chicks. Oh, easy to Oyoy. Gumaraw goes inside. Inside pass. Oh, love pass and the finish. Point lead. Omba, bump, fires, bump off the glass. Yes, sir. Pass. And pull up J. Pinasa sa loob. Wala. Rebound picks. Reverse layup. Wala pa rin. Ortiz. Garcia. Corner. Omba. Garcia. Nap. Recover. Oy, nalibre. Pinaganda pa. Goles. Corner pass. Picks. Ortiz. Hook pass. Oyohoy. Corner. Picks. Ortiz. Drives to the hoops of the glass bucket. Garcia drives sa gitna. Oyohoy. Pull up J. Bullseye. Free throw area. Peñafiel. The floater. Bucket. Peñafiel. And dribbling the ball. Inside pass. The halo pass. Reverse layup. Garcia. Crossover. Oh, stepping back. No good. Bounce pass. Oh, pindilipat sa kabila. Ocampo. And here's Odoma. Odoma between the legs. 4-3. Bang! In your face. And pass. Sasagot. No good. And here's Versosa. Liz. Basket and one. And here's Omba. Stops corner pass. Open look. Fires at 3. No good. Rebound. And here's Dolores. Torres. And no, lumipad na Liz. Yes sir. Tapos break. Oh, yan na. Ito na, libre. Boom! And goal! Sumagol! Boom!
37 seconds. Donald Tanguan.
Ito na bitin.
13 seconds in the play. Uling-irit.
Uling-irit.